Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't even matter for your Raspberry Pi setup, or stuff you don't care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm just going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for Raspberry Pi right now. Plus, a few things about each one that actually matter. That way, you can pick one and get your Pi protected easily. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my whole research doc, totally free, and read it for the rest of the year. No joke. Alright, let's jump right into it. Top 3 VPN services for Raspberry Pi and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Raspberry Pi. Why? First, it works seamlessly on Raspberry Pi, which is super important. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Stable connections, low latency, no drops, and reliable upload-download speeds that keep your Pi running smooth. Features. It's packed with the most features. Kill switch, meshnet for secure device networking, antivirus, leak protection. You name it, it's there. Pricing and support. Great price for what it offers, and the support is top-notch if you need help setting it up on your Pi. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. That's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech available so your Raspberry Pi stays private and secure. Overall, super easy to use on Raspberry Pi, fast, no issues, and reasonably priced for what you get. Negatives? Just a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for Raspberry Pi is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for pure performance on devices like the Raspberry Pi. Speed. Incredibly fast with consistently low latency. No lag spikes, no connection drops, just a smooth experience even on a lightweight device. Features, all the essentials for a Pi user, plus a few extras. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, perfect if you want only certain Pi traffic to go through the VPN. Pricing and support, one of the best value for money VPNs out there. Often cheaper than competitors, but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful for Raspberry Pi users. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. They've got an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption, top-notch tech, AES 256. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which might make privacy nerds nervous. Server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN for your Raspberry Pi. Perfect for pure performance and great value. Third best VPN for Raspberry Pi is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and tons of customization. Great if you're an advanced Pi user. Speed? Very good. That huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server near you. Features, packed with a kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Ideal if you want to tweak your Raspberry Pi's privacy settings. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is professional and helpful. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. Their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, best encryption tech available, and it's even customizable. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US-based, and the app isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, a reliable, transparent, and powerful VPN for Raspberry Pi. Best if you're on a budget but want a massive network and advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Raspberry Pi: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one based on colors or logos, you'll be just fine. These VPNs just work perfectly on Raspberry Pi. Quick recap to wrap this up if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Raspberry Pi, a premium experience, most features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it Raspberry Pi VPN that offers insane value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've added exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description so you can get the best price. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.